how to download Google Play Store apps on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. So basically we all know that Google Play Store is not available in iPhone or iPad, but there is a workaround to download it. First of all you have to do is open a web browser that you prefer. So let me just open Safari for now. Then in search address bar type down Google Play Store and search for it. Then navigate to its official website. Once you're inside the Google Play, all you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the bottom tab in the middle. So as you can see, there is a share icon. Simply tap on it and you will get to see some options available. Scroll and tap on the add to home screen option available there. Now once you tap on it, all you have to do is change the name if you want to. I'll just keep it as Google Play for easier access. Then tap on the done option available there or save button available there, and it will be saved to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.